welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making cupcakes. I'm going to distribute all these cupcakes in the poor area behind my house for a school project, so let's start. So guys, we're going to start with 2.5 cup flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it a little bit. Now let's make buttermilk. Take 1 cup of milk and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. In a different utensil, add 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, two eggs. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or vanilla powder. Give it a good stir. 1.5 cup of sugar. Mix it quite a bit. Now combine the two batters. Slowly add the buttermilk and mix. Bake at 25 minutes 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's take them out. Now guys, I'm gonna go distribute them all in the poor area behind my house. I don't want to show off, I just want to give you a message that please take care of your neighborhood, especially kids. It's a sunnah. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.